Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a fun stickers and emojis to your videos in CapCut. This is perfect for making your content more expressive. Let's jump right in. First, open a CapCut app and select a project or top a new project. And once your video is into the timeline, scroll through the bottom menu and tap stickers. Then here you'll see a lot of options. There are trending stickers, emojis, effects, and more. Tap on any sticker or emoji that you like and it will appear in your video. Here you can resize, rotate, or move it anywhere on the screen. You can also use the timeline bar below to adjust how long the stickers appear and when it shows up. And that's it. You've just added stickers and emojis to your video in CapCut. If this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching.